Florida, known for its sunny beaches and vibrant communities, but behind the scenes there are some serious problems facing home insurers in 2024. Florida homeowners are facing skyrocketing insurance costs, leaving them in financial jeopardy. Why is this happening? Hey everyone, it's Carol, founder of Everspruce. Today we're diving deep into the complex world of Florida home insurance, from the challenges homeowners face to the latest trends and crucial tips. We got it all covered. Trends to watch in 2024. Inflation impact on insurance rates. Prices for everything are going up due to inflation, and that includes insurance rates. Your premiums might increase because of higher costs of rebuilding and labor, plus the aftermath of recent hurricanes. Keep an eye on how inflation affects your rates and look for ways to save money without compromising coverage. Population growth and development. More people are moving to Florida, and that means more buildings, and that puts more pressure on insurance rates. Despite the relief measures proposed by Governor DeSantis in his 2024 budget, it's important to note a significant hurdle. The implementation of these measures is contingent on receiving state legislative approval this spring. Climate change impact. While the causes of climate change are debated, the escalating strength of storms and rising sea levels pose a significant risk for Florida's insurers, given its extensive coastline. Encouraging homeowners to reinforce their homes with impact-resistant doors, windows, and sturdy roofs is vital. Florida's robust building codes and initiatives like My Safe Florida Home, offering funding for such improvements, marks a substantial progress in bolstering the state's resilience against climate-related challenges. Insurance capacity challenge. Getting enough insurance coverage in Florida is tough. The state needs more insurers to handle the risks. Startups like Slide Insurance and the Victor Insurance Exchange are appearing, but it will take more to address the challenge. Litigation. Lawsuits over insurance claims are going down. Recent laws aim to reduce these cases, but it will take time to resolve the existing ones. Stay informed about legal changes to make sure your coverage aligns with the current laws. Now imagine having insurance but still being at risk. Florida homeowners with existing insurance may face the risk of coverage loss if their homes are deemed too high risk. Insurance companies, whether canceling midterm or due to bankruptcy, must provide a mandatory 30-day notice with Florida Office of Insurance Regulation for approval. Additionally, if a Florida insurer decides not to renew a policy, homeowners receive a 120-day notice. The tip here is to act promptly. If you receive a non-renewal notice, start looking for new coverage immediately. Let's get practical with some tips. Working with independent insurance agents is a great start. They can explore multiple options, including Citizens and surplus insurers at the last resort. Broaden your options in this tight market. Consider surplus line companies carefully. While they may be an option, be aware of potential downsides. Consulting with an experienced insurance agent is crucial to navigate these complexities. And here's a tip. Avoid self-insuring. Florida's vulnerability to severe weather events makes it risky. Instead, pinpoint the best way to protect your home and family financially. Remember, in the ever-shifting landscape of Florida home insurance, knowledge is your greatest ally. Stay informed, stay proactive, and protect your home and family. Thank you for watching and joining us. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy content like this. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll want to watch this video next.